How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. To download a Facebook Messenger chat conversation in 2024 is a pretty straightforward process. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to Menu. Then scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Now tap on the Account Center option available on the top. Inside Account Center, tap on the Your Information and Permissions option available there. Then inside it, tap on the Download Information option available. You can see the Download Information option available, tap on it. Then tap on the Download or Transfer Information option again. Now tap on the specific content since we are only downloading the Messenger chat conversation. Then tap on the Messages and Next. After you do so, you'll be navigated to the page where you can see download information available there again. Tap on the Download on Device. Now here you will have to choose the date range of from when you want to download it. Choose a specific date range or select all time to include all messages. Then choose HTML for easier to view or JSON for more structured for developers. You can also select qualities. Choose high, medium or low for media files, but I'm choosing the medium. Now you'll also have to provide the email for the delivery of your downloaded information. So here provide your personal email and Facebook will send you the email of downloaded chat information on your email. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.